it, but the number one man has got the old boy. We'll see how he goes. He's getting on a bit, but he reckons he'll still go alright.
I go pretty good for an old fella.
I'll be the judge of that. Alright, Larry's got a nice dog fox here. Yeah. We've pulled him up.
Pulled him up with the Apex fox whistle. Done the job on him.
He stopped real quick and come back in, and we done the job on him.
Smoked him.
Hey, you got him, old boy.
Keep going, keep going.
Keep going down there. Righto, old boy, come on.
Go and get him, Dave.
Go and get your prize. Go follow him, Bill, otherwise you won't see.
What do you reckon, Dave? Smoked it. Big old bastard.
What do you think of your first night out with, back out with Campbell Larry Hunting Productions, David?
Well, I'm just happy.
Hey,
I
look.
didn't miss the bloody.
Hey,
come here.
Look. There you go. Show us what you got.
Hey, I can still do it.
Yeah.
Fuck, he was coming
Older
in
than
hot.
dirt, and I can still shoot fox. How happy
He was
am
coming
I?
in hot. The old boy still hit him. I'm pretty happy.
He's a big old dog too.
Look at that.
Alright.
Here we go. Larry's done a number on this one.
Fucking oath. Shot on low on him too.
He's in good nick too. Alright, good stuff.
Oh, well, that's fucking three.
Good.
So beautiful.
Nice sun. On the way back in from another successful whistle and shoot. What do you reckon?
Well,
Got him?
That was a fair walk.
Yeah?
How fair walk.
Getting too old for that?
No, I'm not. I wouldn't want to run it though.
Larry's already back at the car with his. We're going and got this big fella. Here's our mate Jay Lowry, shot another one. Lucky, because he's been shooting like shit, but he's come good.
I'm good.
Did you whistle that? What
5 in a row.
did we stop him with? The old Apex whistle, eh?
Apex whistle does the trick on this fucker. Another one from Sally. Smoking a few now. It's only early. It's only 9:30, so alright.
He's missed a couple too.
Oh,
Einstein changed the fucking dial on the gun. Fuck knows why, but he did. Anyway, we're back on song now.
alright.
We got the old fucking APA, Australian Pensioners Insurance Agency representative with us. How you going, David? Alright?
Enjoying yourself,
Alright.
boy?
Does that cover travel insurance, David?
How much fucking non-productive fucking video do you want?
Well, that's all we do. Anyway, Ute's filling up. Got a couple of big dogs here. Going alright.
Pop his eye out.
Yeah, nah, he needs to go to the optometrist, that
I
one.
know.
Righto, Larry.
In the system, we'll be right.
Scoping one, Larry.
Yeah, just fucking getting there ready.
Is that your new knife, mate?
Yeah, and a new knife. I'll
What sort of knife's that?
cut my fingers off with it.
Victory?
Fucking victory.
Skin and knife. What are you doing back there, David? Getting Skippy out of the way.
Yeah.
Righto. This is how 101 how to cut your fingers off.
That's it. This is how not to scalp a fox.
Right, here we have Bill. First name Bill, last name Butcher. What do you got on special this week? Sausages or chicken? Hey? What do you got in your continental sausages, Bill? Have a look at the scalp on this. Here's one we prepared earlier, intact. Here's Bill. Show us your scalp, Bill. Give us a look at it. Lift it up. Oh, nice. I like what you've done with it.
Well, it was a little bit sad to start with,
I think it's been through the mincer.
eh? Well, there's his
Jeez.
eye.
What do you reckon, Larry?
Yeah.
Amateur? He's a scalping amateur?
Yeah, he's an amateur. He needs another couple of goes.
Yeah, well, that's what.
I think I fucking made it a bit hard for him though, the way I smoked it.
Oh, you scalp him right back down there to his jaw.
Was
Well,
that
you're nearly
where you
there.
want it?
You're nearly there, Bill. Make sure you keep his nose on it.
Cut down one of those.
Hey, hold it up,
Well
Bill.
done. Oh, look at that. He's made a mountain
He's
out of
in.
molehill.
He's in one piece. You got half his neck on it as well. Oh, very good.
Loxy, Loxy.
Well,
How many we got there? Line them up. Line them up, George. Line them up like this, Dad.
I was just making them look pretty.
No, like this.
I think they're cute like that. Oh, they look better like that though.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the 9th one. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Maybe you only got 8.
Yeah, we missed the 9th one.
That's right. Geordie scared the 9th one.
Yeah, that's it.
Alright, that's us over and out. Say bye, Bill. Thanks for being a, what would you say? Surprise guest? Special guest?
Crash test dummy.